How to find your referral code on Temu. So if you want to find your referral code on Temu, follow these steps. It is simple. The step number 1, open the Temu app. Make sure I log into your account on Temu. And step number 2, go to your All Profile, tap on your button on the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step number 3, find refer and earn or invite friends. Scroll down and look for refer and earn or invite friends, tap on it. Step number 4, see your referral code. Your referral code or invite link will be shown on the screen. You can copy it and share it with your friends. Step number 5, share your code. You can send your code via WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, or social media. So if your friends sign up using your code and makes purchase, you might get rewarded. Important tips, and you should know, not all users have a referral program available. Your friends must be new Temu user for you to get rewards. Some referral programs give discounts while others give cash rewards. And I hope this helped. So this is how to find your referral code on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.